Tutorial number 2. In this tutorial, I will draw the picture with the pumpkins in my animation titled Happy Halloween.
Link of the animation will be in the description box below.
Now let's get started with this tutorial. 1. First, draw the general shapes of the characters. The red line helps me with the placement of the character's features because it reminds me of where the center is. 2. Refine the rough draft and add more detail such as moles on the pumpkin. 3. Outline everything black. 4. Separate the ribs of a pumpkin and add more texture to the stem by drawing lines with a fine pen. 5. Thicken certain lines to add dimension. 6. Color certain areas yellow. 7. Color the body of the pumpkin red. 8. Color the leaves and the background green. 9. Layer medium yellow dithering on some pumpkins, the teeth, and some eyes. 10. Layer large yellow dithering on the rest of the pumpkins and some eyes. 11. Layer small green dithering on some strips of the stem. 12. Layer the rest of the strips of the stem with first medium black dithering, then small green dithering with the bucket tool. 13. Layer small black dithering on the red mouths. 14. Layer color on some eyes, eyebrows, and mouths. 15. Add highlight to the characters with small white dithering. 16. Add shadow to the character with medium black dithering and small black dithering. 17. Add shadow to the ground with medium black dithering, small black dithering, and black. 18. Add any final details, including the pupils. Hope you like this tutorial. Comment any thoughts, suggestions, and questions down below. Thanks for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Dreaming Cream.